BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU. This is a portable AC from BLACK+DECKER, a very popular one, and the smallest size. Is it good? Let's unbox and try it out. I like this one because it's very easy to install. You can have this thing up and running in like 15 minutes. So we're gonna take it out of the box and show you how quick it is to install. So taking it out of the box is an art form in its own because it's tricky. I'll show you what I mean. So once you take the wrapping out, you got instructions on here. We gotta cut the packaging. So we're gonna cut these two straps here. Then we're gonna take out some of the stuff inside, and what we're gonna do is lift the carton upwards and then take out the AC. It's very important for the entire process that you do not lay your AC down. It says right here, do not lay down on this side, meaning keep the AC upright, because if you lay it down, I mean, it's okay to lay it down, but if you lay it down, you need to keep it upright for like 24 hours. And the reason for that is to make sure all the oil and the refrigerant settles down. Otherwise, it doesn't work right. Without getting into detail, that's how you properly maintain your AC. So we're gonna keep it upright so we don't have to worry about that. All right, let's go ahead and open up these two straps here. Boom! And here is our accessories. So it does come with some foam. The foam is to help seal the window so that it prevents air from leaking inside and getting your room hotter. The power cord that's attached to the AC, and we have this, which will connect to your AC. So here is your nice, simple hose. One hose connects to your window, and that's all you need. You have the remote control and user manual in here. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. And at this point, you can see the AC is right there. You want to grab this and remove it because this is your window piece. And again, very easy to install because this is literally the part that sticks onto your window. It's an inside and outside slider, and this allows you to slide this as big as pretty much right here or small so that it fits a smaller window. And this works horizontally as well as vertical window. So super easy right there. And this part is where the magic happens because the box just slides up. Remember, we cut the two straps, so now the box just slides right up. So there's our AC unit right there. Boom, BLACK+DECKER. Oh, nice. Some ACs don't have handles. This one has 8 handles, so you easily carry it. I love that with the foam from underneath there. Oh, it got wheels too. Nice. So that means it's very easy to move from room to room, and because it's an 8000 BTU model, it's very compact. I love that. Super easy. Boom. Here's our power cord. It does have a reset and test and 3-prong power cord right here. Filter, and take a look at how easy it is to clean the filter. This part comes out so you can easily clean the filter like so. Little clips that hold it together. And this is the actual fin of your AC. So it's really nice to be able to have access and clean it out when it gets dusty. Perfect. It is roughly about 28 inches high. Width-wise, you're looking at about 1 foot. Over here, you're looking at about 16 inches. So very good compact size AC. So that's pretty much the AC unit. We have the hose here. So here is our piece here, and we're gonna attach the hose to it. There you go, I'll slide in just like that. And then this piece here has a turning mechanism that locks it. So super easy. Turn it this way, boom, that's it. That's how you're locking the hose, super easy. So now we got the hose attached. Oh, and on this side, it has a mesh. So this prevents birds and small creatures and animals from going in because remember, this is gonna attach to this hole, which is gonna be exposed to the outside. Now, I personally always have my window screen still attached, so that's double protection. This thing will protect and my screen will protect. And this thing, this kind of pops in here. You see there's little tabs. All you gotta do is push it in and it'll pop in place. So let's see how well that pops in or how easy that pops in place. There we go. And there we go. That's so easy. That's it. Now, this is pretty much our AC unit. We can go ahead and move this thing to a window and attach it to a window. And we have our AC. So I think this takes less than 10 minutes to install because it's so easy. That's the beauty of having a single hose portable AC unit. 8000 BTU is pretty powerful and super easy to move around. Oh yeah, also there is a drain and this is if you live in an area where there's a lot of humidity, there's gonna be a lot of water that pulls up. There is a tray inside that allows the water to evaporate on its own, but sometimes if you live in an area that has too much humidity, then the water will pile up and you wanna have a drain. So this is the drain. By the way, the remote control. And don't forget, there are these pins that we're gonna need to install because these two little pins will help prop this thing up to the level we want by putting the pins on here and over here to hold it up. So that's very important, easy to miss. So here is the Black & Decker Portable AC User Manual 8000 BTU unit. The AC is equipped with auto water evaporation, so the water containment would not typically fill in cooling or heating mode unless there is high humidity. If there is high humidity, we will get an alert to let us know that the water pan is full and it needs to be drained. But in most cases, you don't need it. So far we've used a lot of portable ACs. We've been through 3 and we just purchased a couple more and we never really had to drain it unless we're in heat mode. And since this one is 8000 BTU with no heat, I'm probably not gonna worry about the drain mode. So this is the drain hose. When you do use it, you're gonna use it at the bottom port down here, but you only need it if you're using the AC and there's an error code and it tells you that it needs the drain hose. E2 is the error code that you're gonna get, and that will let you know that you need to drain it. But that's it. We're gonna go ahead and bring this thing upstairs and install it. And I'll show you how it is. So the Black & Decker 8000 BTU, you can disconnect the hose and you have the handles here. Makes it easy to carry it upstairs because it's not that heavy at all. And one person can definitely carry it upstairs. Just like this, we are bringing it upstairs to our room upstairs to install. There we go. So bringing this upstairs, pretty easy. It's not too heavy and it's easy to move around because it's got wheels on it and you have little handles, makes it easy to carry around. This is the single hose installation and all you need to do to install it on our window is literally put this onto the window and connect the hose to our AC and that's how you install it. Super, super easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna size this up to our window right here and I need it to be around this height right here. I use this little pin right here that comes with it and find out where we need to tighten it down and simply push the pin on here. So there's a couple of holes. You're gonna line up the pin with the hole and push it in right there. So push the pin in and that's gonna hold. So we're gonna slide that towards the end of the window and we're gonna close the window like this. And voila, we are installed. That's it. That's how you install the hose. Now pull this hose out. You're gonna grab this hose and slide it on right here. This thing slides on just like this and boom, that's it. It's installed. So we grab our power cord, plug it into the outlets, boom, just like that. This thing's already powered on, good. And then you can adjust this hose however you like, move it around, but it's super easy. And that's it, turn this thing on and it's powered on. I'm gonna go ahead and select our AC mode right here. And then we're gonna drop the temperature down so it's nice and cool. Right there, 61 degrees. We have the remote control. You can also change the temperature via remote control. There we go. So now it's power on. We're at 61 degrees. It's nice and quiet. It's blowing a good amount of air. It's cooling right now. So you're gonna give it a few moments as you turn it on for the compressor to kick on. You will hear boom, and that's when the compressor kicks on. When it does, then it starts really, really cooling. Right now, it's still starting up. So I'm waiting for it to kick on right now. All right, so the AC compressor finally kicked on. It took maybe about 2 minutes for it to kick on, but once it kicks on, oh my gosh, the air is really, really, really cold. So when you first start up, you might say, oh, the cooling performance is not that good, but the compressor takes a few minutes to kick on. Once it kicks on, it gets a little bit louder. Right now, it's on full fan speed, full compressor, and this is a lot quieter than a lot of other ACs I've used, and it's nice and cool. You want to see how cold it is? We have an infrared thermometer right here, and we're gonna check the temperature right now. So right there, you can see it's about 52 degrees Fahrenheit, so it does a really good job of cooling, and especially if you have a small to decent sized room. This is an 8000 BTU that's super lightweight, easy to move around, easy to install. This thing literally takes about 10 minutes to take it out of the box and hook up to the window and turn it on. That's how easy it is to have this portable AC unit, and we even carried this upstairs by myself, and 10 minutes was all it took, guys. The Black & Decker portable AC unit right here with the remote control, super easy to set up, nice and cool portable AC for all your cooling needs. 8000 BTU, oh yeah.